Alright, this is going to be my first home update vlog style type video. I'm going to try to do these videos weekly, but I may end up doing them bi-weekly due to how busy I am right now. Thought making these videos might give me some more motivation to update and clean up the house as well. The first clip in this vlog is going to show the state of my house towards the beginning of September, and we moved in around July. We had big eyes for all the projects that we wanted to do and complete before rent was up in my other place, but we ran out of time, moved in, and it's kind of been a mess since. And I think September was kind of the pinnacle of the worst it's been. I'm going to try to film all the work I do each week and then show progress, show how things are coming along. I will say the house looks much nicer than it does in this first clip, but I'll put a more updated look in the next update. I think it's good to have a starting point of the worst to worst, so you can see the whole transition. So this is the family room. We kind of just dumped everything in there in that corner, all the boxes, some drawers that weren't finished painting. Moving to the dining room, we got a whole bunch more boxes, my drums are here. Don't have a real dining room table set up yet. Gotta get felt things so they don't scratch with the wood. Kitchen is just a construction zone at this point. Don't mind the dishwasher sound. There's just, haven't really had a chance to tidy up. Recycling needs to go out here. This is the front living room. We got paint cans all up and a whole bunch of boxes. We just moved in and threw everything off the moving truck into here. There's the dining room table and a chair and a bookshelf. Here's my office, which is the closest thing to being complete, but it's kind of a mess in this video. And we go upstairs. There's not really much to see upstairs. Here we have just another office used for just dumping boxes. Bedroom kind of empty, and then our bedroom. This is the rest of the garage currently. A whole bunch of crap just everywhere. Hopefully, after today, there won't be that much crap. And I'll actually be able to put 2 cars in here and have room for this bike. These are the 15-foot 2x4s that I'm going to be cutting down to 45 inches. These are the ones that I already cut. You can see they line up with the 4x8. So you see in the plans here, I've already cut the 4 96-inch ones, and now we just need 45-inch, not 46-inch. So we need 10 of them. It's gonna look something like this once it's done. So I just bought this miter saw, and it's been cold for the last week, but this weekend it's warm, so today we're gonna go test it out. This is a Metabu. They used to be Hitachi. This is the cheapest one I could find that had a reputable brand name, so hopefully it works out okay. We're not cutting much, but okay, so this is the first attempt in using this. Let's hope it goes okay. Give it a wrench. Smallest one I got. Let's get one cut. scrap wood stuff. Let's try it. This stupid thing is getting it. That's kind of stupid. Go here. Gotta figure out how to use this thing. Wow, it's real better than using a circular saw. Let's worry about it. It's gonna be real nice. To go over there every time to fix the wood thing, the stand. Kind of annoying to line up, this is no laser. That's, I don't know, these things are worth it. Oh my goodness. Supposed to put it on this side. That makes a lot more sense. Alright. Let's switch to a time lapse now.
The winter came and it shut us dead now. Our love is coming to an end.
Alright, so that's the next day. All the wood's cut. This bag doesn't really work for anything. It is zipped, but there's still sawdust everywhere. I'm gonna move this inside until I'm able to build the platform. Now the wood's all down here in storage. That's taken care of. We go clean up the rest of the garage. So I've done all we could. We got the car in the garage, and now just this whole half is a bit more junk. And now in the front of the car, lawnmower. Cleaned off this table, put the miter saw there and other various stuff. Hung the bikes up. And this slides under. Just like that. And the ladder's back there.